Hello and good morning, traders, expats, digital nomads, and just people living abroad trying to make some extra money. Okay, let me show you what happened today. Not actually today, but yesterday, because yesterday we had big news. You can see here, this is the New York opening, and we got big news. And first, we can see we got a big sell off. There was a big sell off. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. Let me do it red, number 2. With a big sell-off, and then we took the liquidity from the previous week and we went back up. So let me show you the previous week. The low was actually here. And then you can see I was waiting for the flip to happen. So at 4 p.m., this is my European time. Right now I'm traveling in Europe. Then we have the 5, and then at the 6, and from 6 to 7 p.m. the candle, that was our flip. Okay, so technically you could enter on this candle here if you just watch the 1 hour, stop loss below, and we target 1 to 1, and it will hit it. 20 points stop loss, 20 points take profit. Let me see if we can find a better entry here. This is the candle. Let's break it down to the 5-minute. Here we go. Let me just do the 5-minute candle now. That's the candle 7. Exactly. So this is the 1 hour flip candle. Let me make it green so we know that it's bullish. And now how can we find a better entry? Now this is the 5-minute chart, and that's the 1 hour flip. So we know we could be already in the trade in here, exactly here. This could be already our long entry. But if we are looking for a better entry, or maybe extra confirmation to be sure that this is a valid trade to take, then I would probably wait for a pullback, which we can see we got it here, right? And then we got our push back up from the buyers. This is one option. The second option, to be really good sure, is to see that we are still on the stochastic bullish. That's very important, so that's good. So if you really wanted to wait for a confirmation, then you got it here. You can see the 5-minute broke out from the pullback, or from the 1 hour up, and then we had a pullback, and the pullback happened to be exactly where the 1 hour flip candle high is. So you could enter here, stop loss below the previous pivot low, which is here. We have an 8.8 stop loss. You target 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, up to you. You will hit it. And now if you need extra confirmation that you really want to be sure, then you just wait for the first 5-minute or 1 minute. You can see the structure, bullish candle, and this is the candle here, this one. In my case I have a white candle, but this is this candle where you got your confirmation. Okay, I want to trade this candle because I see it's a 1 hour high candle from the flip. I would put my stop loss not now below the pivot low, but I will put it here. And then I can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, whatever, it's your strategy. But this is an extra confirmation that this trade should be valid for a continuation. And this, if you trade the RBI, GBI as well, this is a RBI, red bar ignored. If you are familiar with the RBI, GBI strategy that I have on my channel, you can watch it. So this was one valid trade in the New York session. But let me show you what else happened. Here we go. Let me just turn on my flip indicator, and what we can see. We can see this is the Asia Open, exactly 3 AM Tokyo. Look at the flip. we have another opportunity here, another flip for shorting. You can position your trade just here. You take the size from the candle, which is 13 points. You target 13, you made your money. You risk 500, you make 500. You risk 1 million, you make 1 million. You get my point. But it went straight down to the low. You can see that it took out the low, which is important. And now you can see already Europe pre-market. Look at that. Look at this push. I mean, if you cannot trade the 1 hour candle, I'm getting so many people asking me, do you have a strategy how not to overtrade? Well, this is exactly how not to overtrade. Trade the 1 hour, wait for the flip, and then you trade. As simple as that. You should have one, maximum 2 trades per day if you trade this. And this is more than 50% win rate. That's important. You enter here, your stop loss is be going below the flip candle, 1-to-1, and we would be already profitable. You see that? I mean, 1 positive trade, second free. So starting Monday, today is Tuesday, you should have not more than 3 trades. And guess what? All those free 1 hour CBC flip trades would be profitable. All right? I hope you see the power in trading the 1 hour flip. You don't have to. You can trade it at 30 minutes, 15, up to you. But I know what works. I know what is having a high win rate. And by the way, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy showing you what I do, what I think, and what I believe works. It works for me, maybe not work for you, because your mentality is different than mine. I hope you like the video, and if you do, you know what you need to do. You need to like, subscribe, and just share the fucking video. Alright, see you next time, talk to you next time, and just stay focused and don't overtrade. Have a good, wonderful day.